All right, so now what we're going to take a look at is semantic HTML and structuring documents. And good document structure helps with maintainability, helps with readability, right? Correct tags equals greater readability. Avoid using too many divs if possible. That's called div soup or divitis. Helps with accessibility, helps screen readers understand your document. It helps with search engine rank. So SEO, search engine optimization. So using the correct tags is part of that. And just a little bit of document structure terminology. We're in the outline here. Is this the outline? No, here we are. So we have the document. So this is a document object model. We have the document. And document object model is a model of the objects in the document. So we have document, and then we have the root element HTML, and that's divided up into head and body. Right? We have the head and body elements, and then it's kind of like it's a model of the objects in the document, right? And it's a nested hierarchy. So that's what the document object model is. And then document flow is how things load in the document. And so how do they stack on top of each other? And then content sectioning is putting content into different sections. So that's what we're going to learn about. We're going to learn about different tags: header, nav, main, article, section, aside, footer. We'll look again at H1 through H6, figure, fig caption, and address. So the takeaway is don't just use divs, but also make sure you're using semantic HTML. And the phrase semantic HTML, semantic means meaning, semantic. Right? So semantic is relating to meaning in language or logic. So semantic HTML is like, what do the tags mean? So div doesn't mean anything really. It's a divider. You don't know what kind of content's in there. But if I have article or section or header or footer, that starts to tell me kind of how the document's structured and what type of stuff is in this area. So that's the introduction to semantic HTML.